ABCD is a parallelogram. So let's say this is the parallelogram ABCD. The area and perimeter of the parallelogram are 24 root 3 square centimeter and 28 centimeter. Find the sum of the squares of the diagonals of the parallelogram if angle ABC is 60 degrees. So this angle is given as 60 degrees. Now in a parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal, right? So these are going to be 60 each. Now, if we have to find the squares of the diagonals, sum of the squares of the diagonals, right? So let's say these sides are A and B. So we know that 2 times of A plus B is given as 28. So we will have A plus B is equal to 14. So this is the first thing. And we can calculate area of a parallelogram if the two sides are given, adjacent sides, and the angle between them as AB sine theta. So AB sine 60 degrees is given as 24 root 3. So this will result in AB sine 60 degrees is root 3 upon 2, which will result in 24 root 3. So we can have AB is equal to root 3 gets cancelled out. So we'll have 48. So sum of two numbers is 14 and their product is 48. It's going to be 6 and 8. So which one is 6, which one is 8? That's not our concern. So let's say this is 8, this is 6, because we have assumed B to be the smaller side visually. So it's just fine. Now, if we want to find out the sum of the squares of the diagonals. So in a parallelogram, the sum of the squares of the diagonals is given as 2 times the sum of the squares of its side. Now, this is an important relation, which is going to be helpful if you know this already. So this is going to be 2 times of 8 square plus 6 square, which is going to be 2 times of 6, 8. These are triplets, right? So 2 times 10 square. So which is going to be 2 into 100. 200 is the answer that we need to type in.